When I started my practice in the year 2000, there were very limited options as far as preparation of plaints or petitions are concerned. What I used to do, I used to write everything after a brief. I used to write everything and used to give the same to the typist, and he manually used to type the petition or a suit. So, and another option was to call the typist to your chamber and then dictate him, and he used to type it right in front of you, and then your petition is made. This used to be the practice. With the advent of time, computers came, and the advocates started relying upon the computers and taking out the prints from dot matrix. And now is the time for AI. You simply have to give a command that I need this suit or this petition. You need to either upload the documents, or you need to type out the facts, and your petition is made. This is really a smart way of lawyering. This is where you save a lot of time. You do not have to dictate your typist, or you don't have to prepare the same yourself by writing it out the way I used to do, the way I started my practice. It's definitely a smarter way. Your petition is immediately, with a fraction of seconds, you get your petition, and then by making certain changes, you can it's ready to be printed and it's ready to be filed. Now everything has certain issues. In this case, when you download your petition prepared by the machine, it might miss out certain important facts, or it might not elaborate on the legal paras, or it might not include all the facts. So you need to minutely go through the same, and sometimes it takes more time than manual dictation. This is my experience. So one thing which is there. So now, but for general applications and other stuff, it's easier. Secondly, there's a basic rule. There's a basic rule of pleadings that you don't have to mention the case laws in your petition. Case laws should not be a part of the pleadings. And the common mistake that we do is when ChatGPT or some other application, they include the case laws, we tend to fall for it because it looks way more different and way more attractive. The mistake that we do is that we do not verify those case laws. So first thing first, we need not include the case laws in our pleadings. That must not be a part of the pleadings. So you need not plead the case laws in your petitions or suits or writ petitions or anywhere. So when are the case laws needed? They are needed at the time of the arguments. Then you can take help of ChatGPT or any other application and take out case laws, but you need to verify those case laws. Suppose it's a Delhi High Court judgment or it's a Supreme Court judgment. So you need to type the name of the case and then download that particular case law from the official website. Do not rely upon what ChatGPT says. It is bound to make mistakes. So that's where the main concern is. When the court goes through the case laws and it doesn't exist, then there's a problem. Then one should be very cautious as far as case laws are concerned. Take them out only at the time of the arguments and then verify those case laws from the official websites of the High Courts and Supreme Court.